Now today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy meal for under £3. I'm going to buy the food, and I'm actually going to go home and show you how to make it yourself. But before we get into it, let me explain something. I know a lot of people say, Eddie, I can't afford to feed myself. It's so expensive. If you're buying real food, it's expensive. Whereas you can go to a place like McDonald's and get a burger for like, I don't know, very cheap, £2. You can go to all these fast food places and get all the chemical stuff that they sell for very cheap. But here's the thing. If you just learn to invest in yourself, invest and start learning how to make simple stuff. Like I said, nutrition is simple. You buy the ingredients and then you make these foods for yourselves. It's not as difficult as you think. You see, if you go to the shops, what I do sometimes when I was a student and I was broke, I'd go to the shop and go to the reduced section. You get so many different things that have been reduced, save so much money. Every time you go to the shop, just go straight to the reduced section. And then, like what you're trying to buy also is trying to buy the, full fat stuff. Like things like chicken wings, they're very cheap. Why? Because everybody wants lean chicken breast because we've been brainwashed to think that is better for us. But actually, when the protein comes to the fat, your body absorbs it better. Everything has been lean. I'm also in the fitness industry. I've been in it for over 40 years, and I was also told, you got to lose fat, you got to actually stop eating fat, start eating low fat stuff, start eating lean stuff. So we're doing the chicken breast, and then we're eating lots of carbs. What we didn't realize that all that was raising our insulin levels, and it's making fat loss very difficult. I was teaching my clients the same. I was making them eat 6 meals a day, protein and carbs, lean protein and carbs. And they eat 6 meals a day. And then they have carbs with 4 of the meals. And the last 2 meals, they take it out and have just protein. Obviously, they were losing weight, so they thought it works. But the problem is that when you eat like that, it's impossible to sustain it. You cannot keep that weight off. So what you want to do is that you want to try and replace all your carbohydrates with fats. When you do that, you find that you'll never be hungry, you'll always be full, and you will always have lots of energy. Because what happens is this energy you've got on this fat you've got on you, that's energy that you've inadvertently asked your body to store. Your body can use it, but the only reason why you don't have access to that energy is because your insulin level is too high. Insulin is a fast storing hormone. When you got too much insulin in your body says, right, we've been told to store fat for a rainy day, so let's not spend energy. That's why you're always tired. That's why you're carrying body fat energy. And yet you're still hungry and you're tired. You shouldn't be if you think about it seriously. So what we're going to do now is that I bought a few things that I want to show you how to make a simple meal. With this, I bought this food here. Everything in here costs about £7.50. You see, we've got 6 eggs over here. We got chicken wings. Remember, we want the fat. So chicken wings, not the chicken breast. We got some cruciferous vegetables here. We got an onion. We got an avocado. We got an onion, tomato. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go and I'm going to show you how to make something simple. Now, this meal, if you make it properly, it can feed you for about 3 meals. You can actually feed 3 people with that because look at all the chicken breast. Remember, we're not throwing away the fat. We're eating the fat as well. So I'm going to go and cook this. I'm going to make a meal with this and show you exactly how you can make something cheap for yourself. If you learn to invest in yourself and cook. Now you can see I haven't got any butter or oil to fry. If you're eating the way I'm asking you to eat, you'll have things like beef dripping at home, you'll have things like butter at home, you have things like dark fat. So yeah, and I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare this for yourself. Let's go. Hey, if you're serious about losing fat and building muscle, join my community Abbew crew. You get access to live coaching from me, in-depth video modules and more. Thousands have joined and transformed their lives. Click the link in the description and join today. I'll see you inside. Now back to the video. So these are the ingredients that we bought. We got the chicken, we got the eggs, we got the tomatoes, onions, avocado, cauliflower, broccoli. So now we're going to make a little dish with it. Let's go. I chopped up some onions here. Look. And then some avocado. We got some butter we're going to cook with. And then that's it. Look. Then we got the eggs here. So we got everything. Now, there's half the onion in there and the tomato. We're going to blend that later on and put. Let's fry the onions first. So put the butter in there. It's protein and fat. So that amount of butter is okay. It's quite big, but that's fine, okay? So the butter goes in. Let's just reduce the temperature a little bit. And then the onions go in with it. Remember, what we're trying to do is we're trying to make a simple meal. A simple meal. It doesn't take very long at all, so that's it. I like the onions quite big, so I fry the onions a little bit. We're going to put the chicken in now. Now we got the onions frying, the onions. Okay, now the chicken's going to go in. Now, normally, if you want the seasoning, that's when you put the seasoning in. Whatever seasoning you want to put in some paprika, some nutmeg, cinnamon. That's what I used to use. But now, I'm not going to put any seasoning in. But remember, this is the time you put the seasoning in. Let the chicken brown a bit. That's it. The thing about chicken wings is that they don't take a very long to cook. They're quite, it's not much on them. So basically the fat, we want the fats, okay. Now we're going to blend the tomato and the onion, yeah? Now we're going to pour that into the concoction, yeah? And then what we do is we're going to add a little bit of water. A bit of water in here, that's it, good. And then put the vegetables in. See, this is so simple. Cover it up. Simple. That's it, it's coming on all right. Let's go. Simples. I can't eat avocados raw. So if I was going to eat this, I'd chop the avocados. So I'm going to show you what I do. That's it. So avocado is going to go in. Mix it all in yet like that. This thing is nearly done because chicken wings don't take very long to cook. This thing is nearly done, okay? So there you go. So leave the avocado in to cook for a couple of minutes. So if I was going to eat this, I'd cook the avocados a bit longer because I've got oral allergy syndrome, so I can't eat raw fruit or vegetables. I have to cook it. So that's what I used to do. Before my diet became carnivore, I used to eat like this. So I'm showing you what I used to do. And it's just so cheap. I mean, we worked out all of this about £7.50. Obviously, the butter already had it, but everything here we showed you in the shops in Asda, it's about £7.50. And it's so easy to make. Right, cover it for a little while again. When it gets to this point, what I do is I crack the eggs and put the eggs in. Just crack the eggs and put them in. And then stir it. That's it. Basically, it's nearly done. That's it. Stir the eggs in. That's it. Now this is a protein-rich food. You see, if you're trying to lose body fat, this is so easy to make. Look, this will serve about 3 or 4 meals. See, look, here. You got your avocado, you got your vegetables. Here, look. Somebody may say, oh, it doesn't look very appetizing, but it tastes amazing. You see, chicken wings, that's it there. Simple. And what you do is put a little bit of salt on it. That's it. If you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps you make more videos. And it can show you simple ways of losing body fat and keeping it off. Remember, this is the type of food you need to eat to lose fat and keep it off. Let's go. If you've reached the end of this video, it means you're serious about your health and fitness. If you didn't know, I've got a private community where I do live coaching, in-depth video modules, and other resources. Click the link in the description to check it out and join thousands of others who've benefited. See you there.